Cybertruck power running board installation tutorial. Carefully align the left and right positions of the pedal bracket according to the labels. Find the reserved hole near the front row on the vehicle side. Align the motorized pedal frame with the hole and secure it with screws using a suitable tool. Make sure to tighten both sides simultaneously rather than one side at a time. Find the reserved hole near the rear row on the vehicle side. Align the non-motorized pedal bracket with the hole and secure it with screws using a suitable tool. Again, ensure both sides are positioned before tightening simultaneously. Loosen the sliding block, adjust it to the appropriate distance, align it with the pedal bracket mounting hole, and secure it with a tool. Turn off the power supply to the front trunk. Connect the original vehicle wiring harness to the running board transformer's positive and negative terminals. Use red wire for the positive terminal and secure the connection with tape. Then connect the black wire to the blue-brown negative terminal and protect the connection with tape. Connect wire 1 to harness 1 and protect the connection with tape if necessary. Connect wire 2 to harness 2 and protect the connection with tape if necessary. The connecting point of the transformer might vary on different batches of products. Make sure to connect wires according to the labeled number. This is the structure of the circuit after wiring is completed. Plug the wired power into the control module included in the package. Connect the power cable from the left pedal motor to the waterproof connector. Route the cable over the motor and into the front trunk through the side skirt panel and wheel cover. Guide the cable into the front trunk. Connect the power cable to the front trunk and plug the left pedal's power cable into the corresponding socket on the control module. Open the passenger side trim panel. Connect the CAN line to the original vehicle's CAN interface. Use tape to connect the black E of a CAN line to a fishing pole. Guide the fishing pole into the front trunk and plug the CAN line into the corresponding socket on the control module. Connect the labeled signal line to its corresponding socket. After completing all connections, use fastening tools to secure the control module and transformer to prevent noise. If necessary, use cable ties to manage wiring. Reinstall the front trunk trim panel and turn on the power supply. Elevate your driving experience with our electric retractable steps. Convenient, stylish, and worry-free. Perfect for families with children or elderly, enhancing safety and elegance without compromising vehicle aesthetics.